Hey guys, welcome back to the Dabbler's Den. This is Chris, and I'm back with another quick gear review. This one is for a set of rifle sights. They're flip-up rifle sights put out by a company called Chaos Ready. These are really made for tactical weapons. However, I wanted to try out a set of these on my hunting rifle. This is my old 30-30. I haven't used this rifle to actually hunt with for a while, but I want to turn it into a bush gun. Which means that I want to remove the scope and replace it with a set of flip-up sights that Chaos Ready sells. So let me go ahead and when we come back, we'll go ahead and take off the scope and show you what you guys get when you order from Chaos Ready. Be right back. All right, welcome back. So like with all my videos, I like to show you guys what you get when you order from a company off of Amazon that I'm reviewing for. And again, this is for a set of precision backup battle sights put out by a company called Chaos Ready. And what I'm going to try to do is mount these onto my rail mount that I have for my 30-30. Now, ideally, I know that these are for like an AR-15 or something like that. And you would have a mount in the back of the gun and then one up in the front of the gun. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to mount these right here on the rail mount and see how they do. Again, my goal is to turn this gun into a bush gun by removing, I already removed the scope, and installing these so that I can have it on my gun, you know, my four-wheeler. If I'm out scouting, I can keep it on my back. I'm not really worried about knocking it off the side or anything like that. So that's the goal, and we'll go ahead and mount these up and see how it works. So again, I haven't opened this yet. What you see is what you get. And on the inside here, we've got the front sight and the back sight. Looks like you have two options on that. And they also send you with a set of instructions. Looks like there's some mounting instructions here. Now this does have an elevation a limit of 16 inches, so this may not work out well for me. I'm gonna give it a shot anyway. Again, let's go ahead and open up these sights. I can tell right away these things are heavy duty. They have a lot of weight to them, very solid. You do need an Allen wrench. I did grab one that hopefully fits, and it sure does. Good. And that's how you're going to put this thing on. So we'll go ahead and do that. So to use this, after I mount this on, you can see it's in a down position. And when I push the button, again, it'll be mounted on the gun here in just a minute. I'll probably do that separately. But when you push that button in, it causes it to pop up. And looks like we do have two different optic sizes that you can use. That looks to be very helpful. But yeah, so this is so that it can be transported without worrying about it. And then again, when you're ready to use it, just pop that button and it flips right up. The back, same thing. Again, so this is the front, same thing. You're gonna push this knob in. This is also an adjustment knob. Hopefully it doesn't need much adjustment. I'm gonna give it a couple shots and see, but pop it up, flips up. Got a little wobble there, but not too bad. And then to put it back in, you got to push that in again, and it clips back down. So let me go ahead and install this, and then we'll see how it works. All right, so I've got both the front and the back sight mounted. Again, ideally, you're gonna want at least 16 inches between here and here. I'm just hoping that I can adjust it enough to where I can keep it on the existing mount that I have. And again, it's something I wanna have so that if I see something and I can throw the rifle up quickly, you're gonna pop these sights and be able to make a decent shot without having to worry too much about it. So let's go ahead and I'm going to put a round in, and we'll take a shot and see how it works. All right, well, it did take a little adjustment, but I think I was able to iron this thing in, and you know, I think it's going to come in very handy. Like I said, just to have the flip-ups alone, to keep these out of the way. I like it. It's a really sleek look on a 30-30. I can only imagine on some of the other rifles out there. So you know, if you're in the market for some flip-up sights like this, give Chaos Ready a look, and we'll catch you next time, guys. Bye.